Many people believe they are eating healthy, but in reality, certain foods they consume daily could be silently harming their health. As we age, our bodies react differently to certain ingredients, and what seemed harmless in our younger years can now lead to serious health problems. If you're over 50, there are specific foods you need to stop eating immediately because they accelerate aging, weaken your immune system, and increase the risk of chronic diseases. In this video, we will uncover the most dangerous foods you should avoid and the healthier alternatives you should be eating instead. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on important health tips that can improve your life. One of the worst culprits is processed meats. Items like sausages, hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats may be convenient, but they are loaded with preservatives, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium. Studies have shown that these foods are linked to an increased risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and even certain cancers. The high sodium content in processed meats can lead to water retention, swelling, and unnecessary strain on your heart. Instead of processed meats, opt for fresh, lean sources of protein like grilled chicken, fish, or plant-based options like lentils and beans. If you've been eating these regularly, it's time to make a change. Your heart will thank you. Have you ever noticed bloating or fatigue after eating processed meats? Let us know in the comments. Another food that can be extremely harmful is refined sugar. You might think cutting down on sugary treats is enough, but the truth is, sugar hides in many unexpected places. Processed bread, flavored yogurts, packaged sauces, and even so-called healthy cereals. Excess sugar intake causes inflammation in the body, which can accelerate aging, lead to weight gain, and increase the risk of diabetes. Refined sugar also spikes your blood sugar levels rapidly, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired and craving even more sugar. If you've ever felt sluggish after a meal, there's a good chance sugar is to blame. To maintain steady energy and improve your overall health, replace refined sugars with natural alternatives like honey, dates, or fruits. Let us know in the comments if you've noticed a difference after cutting out sugar. We'd love to hear your experience. Fried foods are another major problem. Fried chicken, French fries, and even deep-fried snacks might be delicious, but they are loaded with trans fats and oxidized oils, which clog your arteries and contribute to heart disease. These unhealthy fats cause inflammation in the body, leading to joint pain, stiffness, and even an increased risk of stroke. If you want to enjoy crispy foods without the harmful effects, try air frying or baking instead. Using healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil can make a huge difference in keeping your heart and body strong. Have you ever tried air frying instead of deep frying? Comment below and let us know if it made a difference for you. If you think you are making a healthy choice by drinking diet sodas or artificially sweetened beverages, think again. Many people switch to diet drinks to avoid sugar, but artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose can disrupt your metabolism and gut health. They have been linked to an increased risk of diabetes and even neurological issues. Instead of drinking diet sodas, switch to herbal teas, lemon water, or natural fruit-infused drinks to keep yourself hydrated and healthy. And if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people who need these health tips. Have you ever experienced bloating or headaches after drinking diet sodas? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Another food to be cautious about is white bread and refined grains. These foods have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber, leaving behind empty calories that do little for your health. White bread and refined pasta spike your blood sugar levels quickly and contribute to weight gain and digestive issues. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are much better choices because they provide fiber, which supports digestion and heart health. If you've already switched to whole grains, let us know in the comments. What's your favorite healthy swap? Are you still eating white bread daily? It might be time to make the switch. There's another hidden ingredient in most processed foods that could be affecting your health without you realizing it: hydrogenated oils. These oils, often found in margarine, packaged snacks, and even some peanut butters, are filled with trans fats that raise bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. If you're still using margarine instead of butter, it's time to reconsider. Try switching to natural alternatives like grass-fed butter or extra virgin olive oil for a heart-healthy choice. By making smarter food choices, you can improve your overall health, increase your energy levels, and even extend your lifespan. Start replacing harmful foods with nutrient-rich options today, and your body will thank you in the long run. If this information helped you, make sure to share it with others so they can make healthier choices too. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing health advice. We'll see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what's the one unhealthy food you're finally giving up today?